Hey, working in the shop today, you can hear the rain behind me. I've got a HR214 Honda self-propelled mower, rotary mower, and the wheels need replacing. It's one of the places I caretake on. This is the wheel replaced. It was a hard deal to figure out. I did find a tractor forum that showed one of the little tricks I'm going to show you here, and then one of the tricks I just came up with on my own. Around a farm, you kind of got to be ingenious. Got to make things work, right? And so here at Allen Brothers we do. And if you've got a Honda Rotary Mower, you can buy the tire. There you go. We can get it up close. Maybe you can even see. Yeah, you can see the number there. That is what we purchased, and it is genuine Honda. And so there you go. That is the number there. If you have a HR214 rotary mower, and getting this tire tread on, because the other one literally had fallen off, you don't have to buy the whole tire. You can save yourself, you know, we bought just the tires that we needed. Didn't have to buy a set of 4, we just had to buy 2. And I want to say they were 15-20 bucks a piece for those treads. I imagine you could get them for OEM, you know, or aftermarket parts, so to speak, probably even cheaper. I don't know. This is a really old mower. I mean, it dates back to 1991, but it's still going. What we did, what I found online is, and what I was trying to do it earlier, and I just could not get this tire over, and I couldn't, no matter what I did, I just could not get this thing to replace and to go back over this solid part of the tire. So online they had an example of somebody modifying some, let me try to get you out of that light, had some people modifying these things, and they used a Jiffy knife to cut this piece out. And you can see there's extra room here. The tire really should come all the way over, but I mean, I could not get this thing to budge at all. I'm sure there's a way, but I'm going to show you how I made it happen. And that was to take a Jiffy knife to this piece right here and just use this as a guide and cut it around. I'll show you what I'm talking about. And then we'll get to my little trick to get them to go on pretty easy. All I did was put that on there and just kind of hold it a little bit where it'll turn, right? And then I didn't use just any old blade. What I ended up using was a X-Acto knife. That's the number 11. I don't know that it really matters, but the main thing is to have a sharp razor blade. And I just found that this thinner blade worked better for my situation. And then I just use that ridge right there. And this is what I learned online. Somebody did this. Once you get it going, it actually gets a lot easier. Once you get it up a little bit, you can just pull it with your fingers, and what I find is that it really cuts almost like butter. So there it is. That's now off, and it looks, you can see it looks fairly good. I mean, it's not perfectly round in there, but it's good. All right, so now all I did was turn this dude inside out. Now, it is a trick to do that. Got to have a little force in your hands. But once you get it like that, that's what it looks like. All right, so now we're gonna put this thing on the ground, and we're gonna put the tire onto it. I just found that by turning the tire inside out, that I was able to work the tire from the back to the front and get it on. So we've got 2 new treads for our self-propelled mower. I know that little old strip is off of there, but it does get them on. And the only thing I did different from what these other guys were doing is that I turned the tire inside out. And for me, that worked better. I hope it helps you. Subscribe. Allen Brothers, we appreciate you.